Kawadhi nyime en jatend Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta. Kawadhi nyime kanyo en chenro mar Ikruok mar Chamo Muma mar Senators kod jod bura mamalo otimore kawuono motelo ne romo mokwongo madhi bedo kiny toka gisechamo muma. Senators moyier ne ondikore motelo ne chenro makiny madwaro kombe mag speaker e Senate kod od bura mamalo bendo chwalo kwayo margi. E Senate pia mapek nenore kind Kalonzo Musyoka mar Azimio kod Amason Kingi mar Kenya Kwanza. E od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula mar Kenya Kwanza biro laro kom speaker kod Kenneth Marende mane opuodhi kod kweth mar Azimio One Kenya Alliance.
If for you to run as speaker, there is a qualification you need to meet, is that you should qualify to be elected as a member of the National Assembly, but you ought not to be a member of the National Assembly. So that is a qualification, that you are qualified to be a member of the National Assembly, but you are not a member of the National Assembly. I have given nomination papers to whoever has come for them. I am waiting for the members to return the nomination papers. Once the nomination papers have been returned, I will ascertain who is qualified to be or not to be a member. We require them to give us a letter from the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission ascertaining as to whether they are qualified as to be elected as members of the National Assembly, and they are not such members. I have not yet received that feedback.